Hi there, this is Sanket here and welcome to the Digital Media Workstation. So in this today's video, I'll show you how to edit portraits. If you want to follow along with me, I have given link of this photo in description. Just go there and download it and follow along with me. So without any further ado, let's get started. Share your image with Snapseed. Firstly, I'll use tune image to get colors and light back. You can see that our image needs brightness. So just go to tools, tune image. Next, I'll go to tools and I'll use healing tool. I'll remove some spots like this. I think that's it. Okay. Next, I'll use selective tool to increase brightness of skin. Now, I'll use brush tool to get details of eyes back. Tools, brush, and I'll use 5 value. Zoom in and paint over the white areas. You can see here minor changes. Now to smooth and glow your face, I'll use portrait option. Simply go to tools, select portrait. It will automatically detect your face and it will apply effect. I don't need this much spotlight, so I'll reduce it. I'll keep it to here. Then skin smoothing. I need this much. And then eye clarity. I'll increase this. You can simply compare this. Now I'll apply vintage effect and will remove this effect from some areas. Firstly, I'll increase some brightness here. Then I'll decrease some saturation up to this extent. Then I'll reduce some vignette. That's it. Okay. Now I'll go to stack option, then view edits. Then latest applied effect, vintage, then stack brush. Now I'll make effect enabled. This is enabled, this is disabled. I'll make it enabled and will set brush value to 0. Now I'll paint over her face and also on hairs. I'll just paint over on her skin. Like this. check where you applied effect, you can simply click on this toggle eye icon. If you want to see how this effect has been applied, simply click here. That's it. Now I'll go to tools, and using curves, I'll increase some brightness. I'll choose RGB curve. That's perfect. And then I'll select luminance curve. It will increase luminosity. That's it. I think we need to reduce some highlights. I'll play with RGB curve. So this is after, this is before. You can see our editing history from starting to image, healing, selective, brush, portrait, vintage, and curves. In photo editing, each minor effect you applied matters a lot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get update of my each video.